Welcome to Mental Health Workshop, where you matter and so does your mental health. That is why it is important for you to look after it. You'll be split into groups of 5, where you'll be able to discuss how you feel. So, how do you feel today? In your group of 5, write your feelings on the post-it note and stick them on the whiteboard within your groups. After writing your feelings, sit back in your groups and have discussion on how you feel and how easy it was for you to express how you felt today. Emotions can be very complex to understand, or better yet, express. Some people only know how to express their emotions through actions, while others use words. If you feel like you do not know how to do either, we hope at the end of this workshop you'll be able to. There are 2 ways to express your emotions or feelings. You could either be directly expressing how you feel to someone you trust, or hiding your feelings and keeping it to yourself. There are ways to express your emotions. You can express your emotions through prayer, writing or talking to someone you trust, dancing your emotions out, drawing to express how you feel, or painting, singing about how you feel. Even if you can't sing, you can give it a try. Or laughing about your emotions. In the next slide, it will be a video on how you can process your emotions. As we explained previously, emotions are very complex, and if not known how to handle, it can be quite overwhelming.
It's a quirk of our minds that not every emotion we carry is fully acknowledged, understood, or even truly felt. There are feelings that exist in an unprocessed form within us. A great many worries may, for example, remain disavowed and uninterpreted and manifest themselves as powerful, directionless anxiety. Under their sway, we may feel a compulsive need to remain busy, fear spending any time on our own, or cling to activities that ensure we don't meet what scares us head on. These activities might include internet pornography, tracking the news, or exercising compulsively. A similar kind of disavowal can go on around hurt. Someone may have abused our trust, made us doubt their kindness, or violated our self-esteem. But we're driven to flee a frank recognition of an appalling degree of exposure and vulnerability. The hurt is somewhere inside us, but on the surface we adopt a brittle good cheer, jolliness being sadness that doesn't know itself. We numb ourselves chemically, or else we adopt a carefully non-specific tone of cynicism, which masks the very specific wound that's been inflicted on us. We pay dearly for our failure to process our feelings. Our minds grow unoriginal from a background fear about their contents. We grow depressed about everything because we cannot be sad about something. We can no longer sleep, insomnia being the revenge of all the many thoughts we've omitted to process in the day. We need compassion for ourselves. We avoid processing emotions because what we feel is so contrary to our self-image, so threatening to our society's ideas of normality, and so at odds with who we would really like to be. An atmosphere conducive to processing emotions would be one in which the difficulties of being human were warmly recognized and charitably accepted. We fail to know ourselves not out of laziness or casual neglect. It simply hurts a lot. Processing emotions requires good friends too, deft therapists and ritual moments like philosophical meditation, in which our normal defenses can safely be put aside and unfamiliar material ring-fenced for investigation. The outcome of processing our emotions is always an alleviation in our general mood. But first, we must pay for our self-awareness with a period of mourning, in which we gradually acknowledge that in some area or other, life is simply a lot sadder than we would want it to be. We publish new, thought-provoking films every week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and take a look at more of what we have to offer at the link on your screen now.
Now, when should you reach out for help? You should reach out for help when you start getting a feeling of unsureness or something doesn't feel right and you're unsure why. You are thinking and doing things differently from the way people think or behave. And you don't know how to handle your thoughts, and they are starting to affect your life with your friends and family or at school. There are also ways that you can improve your mental health. First, you need to accept that you need help. Second, you need to ask for help. From there on, you have broken the barrier and you are able to receive the help that you need. You can also improve your mental health by giving yourself daily words of affirmation, such as I am beautiful, I am smart, I am happy, I can do this. Speaking positivity into your life. You could also exercise, such as walking, taking a jog, walking up and down the stairs, just stretching your arms. You can listen to music. Most importantly, write down your feelings. As we come to the end of this workshop, there will be large boxes placed within the perimeters of the school where you are able to write your feelings as much as you want and put it into the box to check it. Remember that you are important, you matter, and so does your mental health. Don't forget to check in your feelings.